Okay, today we're going to talk about 6 awesome marriage things to focus on in your marriage in 2018. Wow, can you believe it's already 2018? Amazing. Number 1, put time with God and each other at the top of your priorities. What if you did that every single day? Where would your marriage and relationship with God be a year from now if you did that every single day? So use Siri, Alexa, whoever else speaks to you, whatever, a reminder, something so that pops up every day. That would be amazing. Number 2, pick one area of your marriage that you would like to get better. Sit down together, decide we're going to work on communication, we're going to work on our sex life, we're going to work on conflict resolution, whatever that is. Focus on it this year. I guarantee you, if you're intentional about it, it'll be better this time next year. Number 3, have a date every single week. I talk about how important date nights are all the time. Put it on your calendar, put it on her calendar, put it on his calendar. Have a date night every single week. Number 4, find a getaway just for the 2 of you. Man, it doesn't have to be expensive. You can go to a local hotel or motel. You can go to bed or breakfast. You can go on a nice trip away somewhere, whatever it is. But the idea is a getaway for just the 2 of you. No kids, no friends, no anybody, just the 2 of you. Number 5, carve out at least 15 minutes each day for each other. You will be amazed what will happen to your marriage if you do that every single day, and hold it sacred. 15 minutes, it may expand to more than that. Just start with 15 though. Number 6, pick one thing to pray about together. Pick something that can only happen if God moves, and watch what happens. Nancy and I have done this before. One year we picked 3 things that we began to pray about at the first of the year. By August, all 3 had happened, and they happened only because God moved. 6 awesome marriage things to focus on as we enter into 2018.